in this bench-wise assembly. Today we are going to see how to make this oval philister. So first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, right here oval philister and then click on OK. On this window you have to select any sketch, any plane from here, and then go on sketch option from here. After that you have to use this profile command. So make half profile, so you can use shaft command to revolve it. Now I am making it step by step, and on this point you have to use this 3-point arc command. So you can make one circle, so you can make one half circle actually. And now our half sketch is ready, so use this constraint option. So let's see, distance between this line with the central axis is given as 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and distance between this external line with the central axis is given as 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and again distance between this external line with the central axis is given as 10 divided by 2, that is 5. I am using divided by 5 everywhere because I am just sketching half side. Now diameter of the half circle is given as 6. Now distance between this external horizontal line with this line is given as 1, and distance between this to this line is given as 7. Similarly, distance between distance of this line is given as 2, and one thing is remaining. Now you have to select the center of the circle and the central axis and go on constraint box and then use coincide option from here, and after that click on OK. Now go on exit to workbench. You can see our whole sketch is in green color, and now use this shaft command to revolve it. So I am selecting the central axis on which I want to revolve it, and after that click on OK. Now select the plane that should be vertical, and then go on sketch option again. So we can draw one rectangle. This is rectangle, and you have to draw one rectangle. So I have drawing it, actually I'm making it, and now you can see here is the constraint option. So give the dimensions to it. So the value should be 2, and now distance between this point this line to this line must be 1. So write here 1 and then click on OK. After that go on exit to workbench. I'm not giving whole distance because I just want this side of part. After that use this pocket command and take dimensions whatever you want, and use this mirror extend, so this part will be removed, and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our oval philister. Thank you so much guys for watching it.